Welcome to our roundup of the best multi-cookers, your ultimate guide to the versatile kitchen appliances that can simplify cooking and save time in the kitchen. Multi-cookers have become incredibly popular because they combine several cooking appliances into one compact device. Instead of using separate pressure cookers, rice cookers, slow cookers, and steamers, a single multi-cooker can handle all these tasks with the press of a button. These appliances are perfect for busy families, home cooks, and anyone who wants convenient one-pot meals. With programmable settings, automatic pressure control, and built-in safety features, modern multi-cookers make preparing soups, rice, stews, meats, and even yogurt incredibly easy. Some models even connect to apps or include smart sensors that automatically adjust cooking time and temperature. In this guide, we'll walk through 5 excellent multi-cookers that stand out for their performance, features, and overall reliability. We'll talk about what makes each model unique and help you find the one that best fits your cooking style. And as always, be sure to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals on all the multi-cookers mentioned in this video. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Instant Pot Duo Electric Pressure Cooker, one of the most popular multi-cookers ever made. This appliance has earned its reputation for reliability, versatility, and ease of use. The Instant Pot Duo combines several kitchen appliances into one, including a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its one-touch smart programs. With built-in presets for common dishes like soup, beans, rice, poultry, and more, you can cook complex meals with minimal effort. The cooker automatically adjusts temperature and pressure settings to ensure consistent results. Another standout feature is its speed. Pressure cooking allows meals to be prepared up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, which is especially helpful for busy weeknights. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean, and the appliance includes multiple safety features such as lid locking and overheat protection. Whether you're making rice, soups, or tender meat dishes, the Instant Pot Duo remains a dependable and beginner-friendly multi-cooker. Moving on to number 4, we have the Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker, a multi-purpose cooker designed especially for rice lovers but versatile enough for many other dishes. Toshiba has long been known for producing reliable kitchen appliances, and this model continues that tradition with a combination of modern technology and practical design. The Origin Taste Cooker typically includes several cooking programs designed for different types of rice, including white rice, brown rice, and mixed grains. The cooker automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature to ensure perfect texture every time. One of the highlights of this model is its fuzzy logic technology. This smart system continuously monitors cooking conditions and makes small adjustments to heat levels to prevent undercooking or overcooking. As a result, the rice comes out fluffy and evenly cooked. Beyond rice, this cooker can also prepare soups, porridge, steamed vegetables, and other simple meals. The non-stick inner pot makes cleanup easier, and the Keep Warm function ensures food stays ready to serve for hours after cooking. Coming in at number 3 is the Ninja Possible Cooker Plus, a powerful and versatile appliance designed to replace several kitchen tools at once. Ninja is known for innovative kitchen appliances, and this multi-cooker is built to handle a wide range of cooking methods. The Possible Cooker Plus works as a slow cooker, sauté pan, steamer, and even an oven-style cooker in some cases. Its large cooking capacity makes it suitable for preparing meals for families or gatherings. Whether you're making stews, pasta dishes, casseroles, or braised meats, this appliance offers impressive flexibility. One of the key advantages of this cooker is its high heat capability. Unlike some slow cookers that struggle with browning food, the Ninja Possible Cooker allows you to sear meats directly in the pot before switching to slow cooking. This helps develop deeper flavors without needing an additional pan. The removable cooking pot is also designed to be oven-safe, which adds even more versatility. You can start cooking on the countertop and finish the dish in the oven if needed. For home cooks who want a multi-purpose appliance capable of handling many cooking styles, the Ninja Possible Cooker Plus is an excellent option. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, a modern appliance packed with advanced smart features. This cooker is designed for users who enjoy technology and want more control and guidance while cooking. One of the standout features of the Chef IQ cooker is its smart connectivity. The appliance connects to a companion mobile app that provides guided recipes and cooking instructions. The app can walk you through the entire cooking process step by step, making it easier for beginners to prepare complex meals. The cooker also includes a built-in scale that allows you to measure ingredients directly in the pot. This eliminates the need for separate measuring tools and helps ensure accurate ingredient portions. Another highlight is the large touchscreen display that makes it easy to select cooking modes and adjust settings. The cooker automatically calculates cooking time and pressure levels based on the ingredients you add. With its combination of smart technology, guided cooking, and powerful performance, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is an excellent choice for modern kitchens. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Cuckoo Twin Multi-Cooker, a premium appliance known for advanced cooking technology and high-quality construction. Cuckoo is a well-known Korean brand with decades of experience in producing rice cookers and multi-cookers. One of the standout features of this cooker is its twin pressure system. This technology allows users to choose between pressure cooking and non-pressure cooking, depending on the type of dish being prepared. Pressure cooking produces sticky rice with rich texture, while non-pressure cooking creates lighter and fluffier grains. The cooker also includes multiple cooking modes for dishes like rice, porridge, soups, and steamed meals. Advanced sensors monitor temperature and moisture levels to maintain consistent cooking performance. Another advantage is the durable inner pot with specialized coating designed to distribute heat evenly and resist wear over time. Combined with intuitive controls and smart algorithms that adjust cooking conditions automatically, the Cuckoo Twin Multi-Cooker delivers excellent results with minimal effort. Because of its advanced technology, versatility, and reputation for quality, the Cuckoo Twin Multi-Cooker earns the top position on our list. And that wraps up our review of the best multi-cookers available today. From the versatile Instant Pot Duo electric pressure cooker, the reliable Toshiba Origin Taste rice cooker, the powerful Ninja Possible Cooker Plus, the smart and innovative Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, all the way to our top pick, the premium Cuckoo Twin Multi-Cooker. There's a great option here for every kitchen and cooking style. Multi-cookers are one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen. They save time, reduce the number of appliances you need, and make preparing meals much more convenient. Which multi-cooker would you choose for your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. And remember, check the description box below for the latest prices and deals on all the multi-cookers mentioned today. Thanks for watching.